Hello guys, welcome to Run with Kirsty, and today we're gonna do your first app in MIT App Inventor. So what is this MIT App Inventor? So guys, MIT App Inventor is some software that is done by MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is settled in Massachusetts. So let's start. For that, you can simply search for appinventor.mit.edu, appinventor.mit.edu. So it's basically this site, and it's not like appinventor.com or appinventor like biz or XYZ. It's appinventor.mit.edu. Now you need to go to this website and then click on create apps. And now you need to sign in with your Gmail account. Only Gmail account, guys. Otherwise, you will not be able to do this. Then all your projects will come. Actually, if this is your first project, then nothing will come. But there will be option of start new project. You have to click on that. And name will be as my first app. So my first app, its name will be, and then this will come like screen 1. Then first of all, you need to drag and drop this button. Then its height will be 80% and width will be fill parent. And we'll delete this text. And now I'll just upload an image, upload file, choose file, and its name is Cody. So I'll share this link in the chat, in the description box. So do check out that. And now we need to take one label. First you have to go to screen 1. And there is an option of align horizontally. You have to do this as center 3. Then click on this label. And its name will be as touch the bee. Yeah, and touch the bee. And its background color will be as blue, not blue, green. So now let's go to the sound. It's in media, sound, drag and drop this, and here's the option of source. Then you have to upload file. We will do this cancel, and then we'll just paste this link. Isn't it funny? So now here's the option of download. We'll click on that and bsound.mp3. And now we're gonna upload file, choose file, and then here search for bsound. So, and now this source will be bsound as .mp3. Then go to this blog section, and then you have to click one dot click called sound1.play. So guys, this is the full and final code. So only 2 blocks, and it's really very interesting. So when you touch on the bee, that scary noise will come. So guys, this was for today. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe from Kosti for all these cool videos, guys. Goodbye.